Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I'm good, thank you. I had a very quiet evening yesterday. I made some tea and read my book. Very relaxing. And you, Jake?
I'm a little tired, Judy. I was on my phone last night. I wanted to check one thing, just one thing. But then I started watching videos, funny videos, dog videos, cooking videos, and then 2 hours later, I was still watching.
2 hours? That's a lot of scrolling, Jake.
I know. Scrolling means moving your finger up and down on your phone screen to see more things, and I couldn't stop.
That happens to many people. Social media can be very, what's the word?
Addictive? It means you can't stop doing it.
Yes, addictive. But here's something interesting, Jake. What if I told you that your phone can help you learn English?
My phone? Learn English from my phone?
Yes, social media isn't just for fun. You can use it to practice English every day, without a textbook, without a classroom.
Ooh, that sounds amazing. So I can scroll and learn?
Exactly. Today we're going to talk about 5 simple tips to use social media for English learning.
I love this topic. I'm on my phone every day. If I can learn English at the same time, that's perfect.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start.
Yes, tell me how to use my phone to learn English.
So, Jake, you said you watch videos on your phone every night, right?
Every night. Sometimes every morning, too. And during lunch and...
Okay. You use your phone a lot, and that's actually good news, because the more you use your phone, the more chances you have to learn English.
More chances. I like that.
Think about it. How many minutes do you spend on your phone every day?
Maybe 2 hours? Maybe more?
2 hours. That's a lot of time. Now imagine if even 30 minutes of that time was in English. You'd practice English every single day without even trying.
30 minutes of English? Just from using my phone?
Yes, and the best part, it doesn't feel like studying. It feels like fun because you're doing things you already enjoy, just in English.
Okay, I'm ready. What's the first tip?
Let's start with tip number 1. Follow English pages.
Follow English pages. What does that mean?
On social media, you follow accounts. Accounts are the pages of people or groups. When you follow them, you see their posts, their pictures, their videos.
Yes, I follow many accounts, but most of them are in my language.
And that's the problem. If everything on your phone is in your language, you're not getting any English practice. So tip 1 is simple. Follow some accounts that post in English.
What kind of accounts?
Anything you like. Do you like cooking?
Yes, but I'm not good at cooking.
That's okay. Follow English cooking accounts. You'll see recipes, short cooking videos, all in English. Do you like music?
I love music.
Follow English music accounts. You'll see song names, artist interviews, fan comments, all in English.
So the idea is to follow things I already like, but in English.
You got it. That's the key. You don't need to follow boring study accounts. Follow things that make you happy. Sports, fashion, travel, animals, movies. Just make sure some of them are in English.
Let me try. I love dogs, so I can follow an English account about dogs. Every day I'll see cute dog pictures with English words under them.
Perfect example. And you won't even feel like you're studying. You'll just be looking at dogs, but your brain is learning new words at the same time.
I already have Max. He's my dog. Brown and white. Very energetic. Energetic means he has lots of energy. He never stops moving.
See? You just used the word energetic perfectly. You probably learned that word from reading about dogs online.
Actually, yes. I think I did. I saw it on a dog picture once. Energetic puppy looking for a home.
That's exactly how it works. And here's one more thing. You don't need to follow 100 English accounts. Start with 3 or 4, just a few. And over time, more and more of your feed will be in English.
My feed, that's the list of posts I see when I open the app, right?
Yes, your feed. And when your feed has more English, your brain gets more practice every time you open the app.
My brain is sneaky like that.
Yes, your brain is very sneaky. Now, here's our second tip. Change your phone language.
Change my phone language. You mean change my phone to English?
Yes, go to your phone settings, find language, and change it to English.
But then everything will be in English. Every button, every menu, every message from my phone.
That's the point. Suddenly, your phone becomes an English teacher. Every time you open your phone, you see English. Settings, messages, battery low, do not disturb.
Battery low. That means my phone needs power, right?
Yes, and do not disturb means don't bother me. Your phone will teach you these words every day without any extra work.
But what if I get confused? What if I can't find something?
Great question. At first, it might feel strange, but you already know where everything is on your phone. You know where your camera is, you know where your messages are. The buttons are in the same place, only the words are different.
That's true. I don't really read the buttons anyway. I just know where to tap.
Exactly. And after a few days, you'll start reading the English words without thinking. It becomes natural.
Let me try right now. Settings, language, English. Done. Oh, wow. Everything is in English now.
See? That was easy. And now your phone is your English practice partner, 24 hours a day.
24 hours. My phone never sleeps.
And you'll learn words you use every day. Airplane mode, screen time, storage full.
Storage full. I see that one a lot. Too many dog photos.
Maybe that's a sign to delete some photos, Jake.
Never. Every photo of Max is important.
Fair enough. Now, one thing, if you feel lost, you can always change it back. But I suggest you try it for 1 week. Just 1 week. After that, it'll feel normal.
1 week. I could do that.
Next up, tip 3. Watch short videos.
Short videos? Like the ones on social media?
Yes, short videos are everywhere now. 30 seconds, 1 minute, maybe 2 minutes. Very short. And they're perfect for learning English.
But they talk so fast. I don't understand everything.
And that's okay. You don't need to understand every word. Just listen, watch, and here's the important part. Turn on the subtitles.
Subtitles? The words on the screen?
Yes, subtitles. 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 Most social media apps have subtitles now. You can turn them on in the settings. Then you can see the words while you hear them.
Oh, so I can hear the English and read the English at the same time.
Exactly. Your ears and your eyes are working together. If you hear a word and you don't understand it, you can read it on the screen.
That's smart. And if I see a new word, I can pause the video and look it up.
Yes, you can pause, you can replay, you can watch the same video 3 times. Nobody will know.
My secret English lesson.
And I have another tip for short videos. Watch videos about things you already know. If you love cooking, watch a cooking video in English. You already know what stir and mix and add mean from watching cooking videos in your language. So in English, your brain can guess the new words.
Because I already know the topic, my brain can fill in the gaps.
Perfect. You understood that perfectly.
And I can also save videos. If I find a good one, I can save it and watch it again later.
That's a great idea. Watching a video twice or 3 times helps you catch words you missed the first time. The first time, you understand the main idea. The second time, you catch more details. The third time, you can try to repeat what they say.
Repeat what they say, like shadowing?
Exactly like shadowing. We talked about shadowing before. You listen and repeat at the same time. Short videos are perfect for this because they're so short. You can practice one video in just 2 or 3 minutes.
I'm going to try this tonight. Instead of just watching funny videos, I'll watch them with subtitles and try to repeat.
That's the spirit. Now, here comes number 4. Read the comments.
Read the comments? The comments under videos and posts?
Yes, comments are one of the best places to learn real English. Real people write real sentences, not textbook English, real English.
But isn't the English in comments messy? Sometimes people make mistakes. They use short words like you are instead of your.
That's true, and that's actually useful because in real life, people don't always speak or write perfect English. When you read comments, you learn how people really talk, how they really write.
So it's like listening to a real conversation, but in writing.
Exactly. And comments are short. Most comments are 1 or 2 sentences. Very easy to read. You don't need to read a whole article, just a few comments.
Let me try. I see a comment here. It says, "This made my day." What does that mean?
This made my day means this made me very happy. It's a very common phrase in English.
This made my day. I like that. This podcast is making my day right now.
That's very sweet, Jake. And see, you just learned a new phrase from a comment. That's how it works, a little bit every day.
And I can learn other things too, like LOL.
Yes, LOL means laughing out loud. It means something is very funny.
LOL. I use that all the time, but I never knew what it meant in English.
And there are other common ones too. TBH means to be honest. People use it when they want to say something real, like TBH, this video is amazing.
TBH, to be honest. Let me try. TBH, I love this podcast.
Thank you, Jake. And another one, IMO means in my opinion. People use it to share what they think.
IMO, Judy is the best teacher.
You're making me blush, Jake. But see how fast you learned 3 new phrases just from comments. This made my day, TBH, IMO, real English that real people use every day.
3 phrases in 2 minutes. Comments are powerful.
They really are. And our last tip, tip 5, write something small.
Write something? You mean I should post something on social media in English?
Yes, but don't worry, you don't need to write a long paragraph, just something small. A comment, a reply, even 1 sentence is enough.
1 sentence.
Yes, if you see a nice photo, write beautiful picture. If you watch a funny video, write this is so funny. If someone asks a question, try to answer in English.
That's not so scary. 1 sentence. I can do that.
And here's why this is so powerful. When you write in English, your brain has to think in English. It has to find the right words, put them in the right order. It's different from just reading or listening.
Because I'm not just receiving English, I'm producing English.
That's a great way to say it. Receiving and producing. When you read and listen, you receive. When you write and speak, you produce. You need both.
But what if I make a mistake? Everyone will see it.
That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. Even people who speak English every day make mistakes online. Nobody will judge you.
Nobody?
Nobody. And if someone corrects you, that's actually a free English lesson.
A free English lesson from a stranger on the internet. I love it.
And here's a secret. Most people on social media are very kind. If they see someone writing in English and making small mistakes, they understand. They know you're learning, and many people will encourage you.
Encourage means to give support, right? To say, good job, or keep going.
Exactly. And you can also reply to other people's comments. If someone writes something nice, you can reply, I agree, or great point. That's writing in English too.
I agree. Great point. Those are easy to write, and I'm already doing it, just in my language.
So now do it in English. Same thing, different language. And you can start very small. Today, after this podcast, write 1 comment in English. Just 1. Good podcast. I learned something new. Anything.
Good podcast. I can definitely write that, because this is a good podcast.
Thank you, Jake. And our listeners can do the same thing. Write a comment on this video, in English, even 1 word.
Yes, try it. We'll read every comment.
Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today, we talked about 5 ways to use social media for English learning.
Yes, tip 1, follow English pages. Follow accounts you like, but in English.
Good. And tip 2, change your phone language. Make your whole phone English.
Then tip 3, watch short videos. Use subtitles to hear and read at the same time.
And tip 4, read the comments. Learn real English from real people.
And the last one, write something small. Even one sentence helps your brain think in English.
You remembered everything.
I learned a lot today.
And I think our listeners learned a lot too.
I hope so. This topic is so useful because everyone uses social media every day.
That's right. And now everyone can turn that time into English practice time. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you everyone. It was fun.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks
Give this episode a like.
and share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, which tip will you try first? Tip 1, follow English pages. Tip 2, change your phone language. Or maybe tip 5, write something small.
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.